If you like to do journaling, you may like to use aesthetic journals, but they are kind of expensive, so instead of buying those, make one for yourself at home. And you know what's the best part? You can customize it according to your preferences. So hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I make journals or diaries with really easy methods. Step 1. First take some sheets and fold them in 4 parts, then cut them. Step 2. Stick them all together as I have done till it dries. Let's make the cover. Step 3. Draw the size of your pages on a cardboard piece. I have taken the size little bigger than the actual size. Step 4. Cover the cardboard with a color or print sheet, whatever you like better. Step 5. Cut one more sheet for breadth 5 cm and length of your journal cover. Now my favorite step out of all steps, you guessed it right, step 6. Decorate your cover however you want. It's optional. It is ready now. Enjoy.